Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong zegama lombongo Nkosi. Ngithembe nikahle, niyaphila. Ngaphambi ukuthi ngiqale, ngicela ningisize ngento yonto. Ngokulike the video and subscribing to the channel. Uma ungaka subscribe, masu subscribe ileke. Cela ungisize ngento yonto. Ungakhohlwa ukulike i-video. Ngingabonga kakhulu. Ngawenza omkhulu umehluko. Danko. Kaizer Chiefs is going to play against Al Masry nge-23, which is going to be on Sunday. Egypt. So obviously mele kube ne squad that is going to travel. So obviously we know that Kaizer Chiefs cannot take all the players that are at their disposal with them to Egypt, but have to make sure that they bring in the players that gonna do the job for them. So obviously in CAF the minimum of a traveling squad can be 18 players, whereby which will have 11 that are going to start the game, and then you have to have a substitute that ingaki I5, so I6, so that you can be able to ukubalansisa izinto. So for Kaizer Chiefs, obviously we all know ukuthi in the past 3 games we saw a consistent lineup for them that is going to give them results. But kwaba nokuthi uLilepo angadlali game against the Orbit College because of ngathi bekune injury bekanayo, but he was a constant feature for Kaizer Chiefs, and with him and Mayo being back from injuries, including Kevin Msimang, it simply means ukuthi kuzoba nezinto ezoshintshwa, because there's one thing that you don't understand as a football fans. In terms of contracts do stipulate ukuthi there's a player that he's going to play ahead of this player. It doesn't matter ukuthi this player is on form or not. So konama starting players, konama backup players. So that simply means good if you see a change in a lineup because kono muntu bekangekho in the previous games, seka konama, just know good yinto ke eyenza ukuthi kube kanjalo. So obviously we all know ukuthi kubo goalkeepers for now that are available, it's Brendan Peterson and Bruce Vuma, and boy two they stand a chance to travel with the squad because Vuma is a backup of Brendan Peterson. And then go left back Nomako bese ngikhohliwe naye ubuyile, simply means ukuthi sinama left back I2 are available now angadlala because ushinga I don't know ukuthi namanje kusese inkinga ye fitness or so ukuthi vele bamsideline vele ukuthi no angeke adlaliswe, but Marco and Cross are available, and I think with both of them will travel with the squad to Egypt. Center back Msimang is back, Miguel is there, Kunika is there, Aaron McCarthy is there. So now the coaches will have to decide with Swamba Namapi, because so obviously Kunika angeke asale, Miguel angeke asale, Aaron McCarthy angeke asale. So I think bangazama ukusacrifice Msimang because so far he haven't played a competitive match, so angeke nje bafuna ukuyomriska, but they will try ukuthi at least bamlinde asettle, and then they'll try ke ukuthi bam introduce gradually so that azojwayela the feel ukuthi okay, this is how it feels mase ngibuyile kwi injury, especially from a long lengthy injury. But kusho kona ukuthi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sizombona enkundleni, but those 3 I've mentioned surely bazo travel out Kaizer Chiefs ukuya le Egypt. And then go right back position we still have 3, but I think ukuthi this time the coaches will decide ukuthi abathathe 2 in order ukuthi squad isingabi siningi kakhulu so travel, but kube lesi esobalula ukuthi bakwazi ukusimanage. So obviously they're gonna travel with Thabiso Munyane and Dylan Solomons. Bese ke in the middle of the park we know ukuthi laphana ke ziyakhala ke zikhipha inkani, but inkunzi emidwa yidwa Ox is the only playing in a direct competition, so obviously you won laphana. If ever ngenzeka kusalo Ox usho kona ukuthi ne team ayikho into yoyenza le yakhona because izoba exposed ngendlela eyisimanga. But laphana in the middle of the park and the number 8 position it will depend ukuthi we prefer the technical ability of the players. We're gonna use that when we play against the so-called good teams that are in North Africa, or we're gonna use players that will put in the hard work, the players that will fight for you. So number 8 if it's fundi fighter that can play the 90 minutes, making sure that he contributes when it comes to defending and attacking. We have a player like Undlovu but if you need technical ability, we have uCele and Nkosi Ngiphile Ngcobo. But by the way izinto zenzeka ngakhona last time when we traveled to eCongo siyodlala ne-AS Simba, bahamba boyi-3, so simply means ukuthi namanje angeke basale, bazohamba boyi-3. And then on the wings we know ukuthi we have Arsenal Velepai laphana, we have Ulilepo that now is being played as a left winger as compared in the previous season adlala as a right wing, and we still have Pulemode. So now it will be a decision ukuthi sibathatha boyi-3 or we sacrifice one, or samba nabo boyi-3 Lilepo simisa ngalo, uzoba i-option kaMfundo Vilakazi ngale ka right. Then on the striking force with Umayo being back, and we have Etiosa Ugodaro and Flavio Silva. Now the coaches will have to decide, because even in the middle I forgot to mention a player like Gaston Sereno and Olebehang Maboy, because they can also add value to the squad because of what their experience. And one thing about Sereno can start a combination out of nowhere with the players, because the quality that he has, he is able to understand his players, because uyakwazi ukudlala noMfundo Vilakazi, uyakwazi ukudlala noMduduzi Shabalala, and recently uqala combination ye-SS social science Silva Sereno. But I think now it can be a bit of help for Kaizer Chiefs, especially mabazom introduce a second half, because siyabona ukuthi sekhamba iminyaka manje akusesolo yaSereno simjwayele luyana, but when it matters the most he always makes himself available and he makes sure ukuthi he delivers for Amakhosi faithfuls. With Umaboy naye also naye balokhu bam-integrate kancane kancane, naye his experience will come in hand, because we know ukuthi we are playing against a team that we know very well ukuthi most of the time they use ama-antics whereby ukuthi they deceiving the referees, but we need players that understand ukuthi going to such countries what you need to have is a mental toughness, and make sure ukuthi you are fully prepared ukuthi whatever that you're going to face you will deal with it in a calm way, whereby you don't let your emotions get the better out of you. So we need players that, but uSereno naye unendlela yakhe ukuthi avela icasuke esikhaleni, but we'll need him ukuthi abe calm, so that kuzokwazi ukuthi players like abo Velepai, Vilakazi, Shabalala bakwazi ukuzicontrola when we play against such teams, because we know ukuthi kulula bakutholisa red card labantu la, and that's something we don't need. Sidinga nje ukuthi sibe mentally ready ukuthi so deal nama situations ana kanje. So players like that are important. It's not about ukuthi mhlawumbe uzokukorela or uzokuassistela, but we'll make sure ukuthi whatever that is going to happen mele benze sure ukuthi indawo yesigameko ihlezi controllable at all times. So asivale, but asazi ukuthi wena ubona kanjani ukuthi si enough le squad lesi, or is capable enough ukuthi singasitholela ama result, because if we win away from home simply means ukuthi we remove the pressure away from us, and then ukuthi mabeza ngapha for a return leg sesiyazi ukuthi they will try to bring everything at us, and then we'll try to contain the situation, make sure ukuthi whatever that they come with to us senza sure ukuthi sibabamba oqotsheni, whereby ukuthi we're gonna use that against them, because we know very well we have speedy wingers, speedy attackers. So in terms of a transition mele sibe sound, so that singawabamba khona ngama counter attacks, and then sazi ukuthi siyaphuma kule group, because zisazosikhalela, but where there's a will there's a way.